Hey guys, what is up? It's Veronica and I am back with another video, but before I get into that, if you're not following me on all my social media, it will always be linked down below, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn my post notifications on. And yeah, today I am going to be doing a room tour for my sophomore college dorm room, so if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Here's the door. We have cute little elephants, and I just have a grass mat right there. And then right when you walk in, this is what the room looks like. This is what the room looks like. So this is my side over here, and the first thing I have is this big 3-drawer thing. I think in here, what do I have? Oh, period stuff, LOL. Here I have towels, and down there I just have like extra stuff like toiletries. And I always keep my wallet up here. And over here is the sink. This is my side, obviously. Hello, what is up? Down here I have my trash can, and then I just have my brush, toothpaste, oil diffuser, face wash, stuff like that, and then I have my soap right there. Next to that is my closet, and I just have this floral curtain, and then down here I have my shower caddy, and inside my closet I have 3 bins up there. I have this holding my t-shirts and skirts, a mirror, and then my clothes, and down here I just have this black chest and my jean jackets, hangers, and just a random box. So that's what's in there. Next I have a tripod and my back pillow all the way back in there, and then I just have my towels hanging. I have my backpack here and a little sweater right there. And then I have this bed shelf which holds sleep spray, tissues, lotion, chapstick, and glasses. And under here I have my umbrella. And now here's my bed. Just looks like that. My tapestry didn't come in yet, so just imagine my lights and tapestry hung up. Really sad. But here I have this chest, and then here is where I keep my empties, and here's where I keep like stuff that I use after the shower. That's so blurry, wow. And here's my bed. I just have those 2 pillows, my stuffed animal Oscar, and my blanket, and then I have my scrunchies on the bedpost and my lamp on the other bedpost. Down here I have my shoe rack and my ottoman and my rug, and back there I have my bathing suits and my luggage, and next to that I have my hamper. It all fits perfectly and I love it. Next to my bed I have my desk. So this is what it looks like. This is my nightstand technically, but I just put them together. And then in here I have like command hooks and stuff like that. Here I have my makeup drawers and all of that. And I just have my necklaces hung up on this hanger hook thing. Then I've got my mirror, my palettes, and my jewelry. Here is a little box with school supplies in it, and pens and pencils, highlighters. Over here I have my neck scarves and my sunglasses on this gold little square grid. And up here I have a painting that I painted actually. It's tie-dye space and I love it. And over here on the other wall I have a sunflower that I painted. Next over here is the window. That's what it looks like. On the windowsill I just have my Illinois little wood block, and I have this like blender bottle from my school that I have yet to use, but hopefully I'll use it. Then I have my food storage. On the top I just have like ramen and peanut butter and coffee. Then I have sugar and Pop-Tarts and all my supplies. Here is the microwave and fridge. Here I just have this Cat Mom mug, a Mary Poppins mug, and my cactus silverware. And then over here is the coffee maker, which is actually my roommate's, but I also use it. And then here is her side. I'll just show you a quick overview. It's pretty cute. So here's a full overview of the room from a different angle. yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of my room. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.